All right, today we're working on a 2008. This one's going to be a 2008 Ducati 848. Customer sent the ignition, customer sent the dashboard. So we'll go ahead and make a key from scratch and do the pre-program. We'll come back shortly. All right, we're back at that 848. Everything's done. Dashboard's ready to go back. We get ready to package everything up. Key 1. Key 2. If you notice, steering lock is going in and out. That means it's the perfect key. So the customer has 2 keys. Basically at this point it's plug and play. So if you need our help, give us a call or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.